Blogging or blog. Many persons have heard this word blog or blogging, but they are asking, what exactly is a blog? Some have even heard that you can use blog or you can make money through blogging, but they don't even understand what a blog is. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us what is a blog, how does it differ from a website, and what are the benefits? What can you use it to do in order to start your online money making journey? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Emmanuel here once again. I'm excited to have you back on the channel. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button. And remember to like and share the video. I want to give a special shout out to all those who have subscribed to the channel and those who are constantly coming back to the channel to view, watch our videos. I want to say thank you, much love. All right, let's dive into today's topic, which is what is a blog? A blog is simply a type of website where the content is presented in reverse chronological order. I take it once again. A blog is a type of website where the content is presented in reverse chronological order. What that means is that newer content are presented first. Newer content appear first. If you publish a content today, that content will be the one on top, while the older one goes down. Okay? A blog content, the content on a blog can also be referred to as a blog post. A blog post. Now, blog is one of the most powerful part of a website. I told you that a blog is a type of website. A blog can also be contained within a website. That sounds confusing, right? Okay, let me take it once again. There are websites that are just fully a blog. All right, you can see the examples. The website is a blog. That means when you land on that website homepage, what you're going to see is just the content, right? Beginning with the newest content. But there are some other kind of website where the blog is just a page on the website, right? That means there are other parts of the website like home, about, and all that before you now come and see a page called blog where content are shared. One of the most important benefits of a blog is that a blog allows you to share content, share articles, right? Be able to give a deeper, more detailed information about whatever you are talking about. Every business, most business have a blog page on their website. And of course, there are some other websites that are fully blogs. All right, so how does it differ from a website? A blog differs from a normal website in that a blog, the content is organized in reverse chronological order. That means newer content appear first. While in a normal website, the content are static, right? They are not updated every time. In a blog, you have the content being updated regularly. So you see blog content, some publish every day, some publish maybe twice in a week, 3 times in a week, and but in some website, the homepage may not be reviewed for even a whole year. You can come to a website, the homepage is the same homepage, the content is the same content for a very long time, unless something significant happens before you see them, updating the content. So in a normal website, the pages, the content are static kind of, while in a blog, the content are updated regularly. All right. In a normal website, the content does not appear in reverse chronological order. It is any place you edit, the place will be edited. But in blog, once you publish a new content, that content appears first. Okay? So a blog can be a website, a blog can also be within a website. All right, what are the benefits? What can you do with a blog? Since you have been hearing blog, people making money using blogging. Now, for somebody who wants to start a side hustle, or somebody who has a lot of idea, something you want to share with the world, blogging is your playground. Blogging is one of the places you want to actually leverage on to get your message out to the whole world. If you can write, if you can create content, blogging is a way for you to get attention to yourself. In fact, blogging allows people to find you, not you finding them. If you have the right content and it's published and it's optimized, people naturally find you. Now let me ask you a question. When you go on Google and search for information and you see a list of websites presenting some kind of information related to what you have asked, what do you think that is? Most of them are blogs. Most of them are content articles that people have published around the particular topic you are looking for. So that is an easier way for people to find you. And of course, it's going to help you bring a lot of traffic to your website. So one benefit is that you can share your idea with the whole world. You can educate, you can inform, you can entertain using a blog. So if you want to get your message to the whole world, if you want to join the league of people who control what happens on the internet, blogging is a place to be. You create a blog, you publish your content, you optimize the content around a particular topic, around a niche where people are looking for that information. People will find you naturally, what is called inbound marketing, whereby you don't pursue people, people pursue you. People discover you based on the value you have created, not you using, pursuing them up and down, maybe using ads. I'm sure you have seen ads that people just pop in your face, but those things are not things you want. But when you go researching, looking for information, you find those information naturally from people who have published articles, content related to what you're looking for. All right? So blogging can help you share your information, your idea to the whole world. What is that idea you have that you want to share with the whole world? Blogging is an easier way to do that. When you build a blog, you can share it, you can educate, you can entertain, you can inform. Number two is that blogging helps you bring traffic to your business. Let's say you already have a website, right? And you don't blog, you don't publish content. You are losing a lot. You can create a page on your website, a blog page on your website, right? Using WordPress, which is very easy. Whether you are techie or non-techie, WordPress is very easy. Anybody can learn it, anybody can use it. And I'm sure if you check the playlist, there are so many videos I've published on how to use WordPress, how to build from scratch, okay? Even how to build a blog. Well, those videos are available on the playlist. You can check them out and of course watch them and be able to play. So with a blog, you can bring more people to your website by sharing relevant information, by educating them on relevant topics that they may be interested in. So using a blog, you can publish content frequently, right? Regularly, educating your audience. And of course, once your audience love your content, they will always come back. So that means you're going to have a lot of traffic to your website. So if you don't have traffic coming to your website, it's obvious you are not blogging. It's obvious you don't have an active blog. If you have an active blog on your website, you cannot be talking about not having traffic. It's almost impossible, right? It's either you are publishing and you're not publishing the right content that your audience are interested in. So if you have a blog already and no traffic is coming, that means you need to check the content, you need to optimize it around keywords so that those who are looking for that information can find you. Blogging is one way we bring traffic to our own website. When we publish content around what our audience are interested in, they naturally find us. Okay, so just traffic. The next one is that blogging also helps you to convert your leads. Of course, like I said earlier, blogging brings traffic to your website. And when traffic comes to your website, they are leads. They are people who are interested in your business, right? People who are interested in your business, they need to be converted to customers. So these leads, these people who are interested in your business need to be converted to customers. So if you have the right content, they are going to come back. If your blog is optimized in such a way that you can collect their information, you can reach them again, right? So from being a lead, you can convert them to customers. You can move them from your blog page to your shop, all right? You can move them from your blog page to your social media handle where you can sell to them. So blogging helps you to convert leads to customers. And of course, from customers, they become loyal customers or people who come back again as repeat customers, right? And of course, even referral, they can help you to bring more people to your business, because if they have interacted with your business and they love what you do and what you have, they will tell their friends, they will tell their families. All right. Another thing blogging can help you do is that when you blog, when you create content on your blog, you can also repurpose the content. You can repurpose the content for your social media handles. You can repurpose the content for video, for YouTube. For instance, the video I'm doing now, if I publish an article around this, I can convert the article to video and vice versa. You can convert a video to article, you can convert an article to video. So blogging helps you to repurpose your content, both for social media and for YouTube video platform. And of course, finally, blogging helps you to derive long-term value from your website, all right, from your content. If you have a blog on your website, or you have created a website that is a blog and you publish content, the value you are going to derive is not just immediate, it's a lifetime value. Because as long as that your content remains fresh, people are going to be coming back, more and more traffic. Some of them will be new customers, some of them will be old customers, some of them will be people will checking you out from there. It also is a continuous lifetime value, and the value keep increasing, right? So these are the reason why you need to start blogging today. So if you don't have a blog, create one. If you don't have one on your website, create one and start publishing content immediately. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to create a blog. I'm going to do it practically. You will see it, how to register your domain, how to buy your hosting, how to create the blog, how to put the content. I'm going to do that video. And if you want me to do that video, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up. If I get up to 100 thumbs up, I will do that video in the next 1 week. All right, guys, this is what we're going to draw the curtain. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to click on that subscribe button, and I will see you again in the next video.